No. Hi, everybody. Allow me please to announce a little change of direction in this channel. Well, while I was reducing clutter, I noticed that I still have a huge amount of art material that I can still make some use of. And every now and then I see some videos of people teaching some DIY art for non-artists. And I, as a critical artist, I find it all a little bit lame. So this is it. I will start teaching you, non-artists, to make some art that you will be proud about, okay? It was fun while we were sharing our process to downsize, to organize, and maintain the house. But truth is, I am not an expert on that matter. I am not an interior designer. I guess it is still valid to talk from the point of view of the non-designer, but after 5 months since we moved here, I am quite happy with the place as it is now. There are quite a few things that still need to be done, but overall it's okay, and in the end I just settled because it is all a very slow process. This is what happens when we don't have the time and money to hire a professional interior designer, okay? We kind of just adjust to what we already have and settle, okay? Because otherwise we go crazy, okay? And I didn't want to be fake, you know, I didn't want to be one of those guys who teach you things that don't work and that they don't actually use or something like that. So no, I still have 2 videos to talk about the house project. One is living with a dog in a small apartment. I think it's something that some people ask me about, and I'll be happy to share how it is to have a dog in a small apartment. And the second one, I would like to show you a little bit of all the little DIYs that I've, done around the house, things that I done from scratch or things that I just changed, and how I recycled some of those things that I've brought to this place. And if after that you want me to show the process of doing that, then I will do that. But other than that, this channel is now going to be entirely about art, okay? From choosing to displaying, from finding your style to making your own art, be it as something that you will do just for relaxation or because you want to learn some new skills or whatever reason, okay? I want you to do things that are not generic, okay? I want something that you would buy or even you would sell, something that you will be proud about, okay? Not only to make it, but also to display it. Okay, so let me know what you think about it and what particular skills you want to learn from me, okay? As always, thank you for joining us.